Imagine this. You are a truck driver. It's 2:30 in the morning. You are parked at a rest area somewhere between states. And a stranger walks up to your truck with a gun. Now, here is the scary part. Even if you survive, you might lose your freedom. Truckers don't live in one state. They live on the road. Tonight you are in Pennsylvania. Tomorrow morning in Massachusetts. Next night, New Jersey. Different laws, different rules. But danger does not care about state lines. This actually happened, not exactly like this, but close enough that every trucker should listen. A driver just finishes his logbook and lays back in his sleeper, suddenly banging on the door, knock knock. He looks out, a man angry, shouting. Then the man reaches into his waistband and pulls out a gun. At that moment, your brain does not think about loss. It thinks about survival. The driver freezes. He doesn't know if he can drive away. He doesn't know if the man will shoot through the glass. This is where people think self-defense is simple. It's not. Here's what most Americans don't realize. In some states, you are allowed to stand your ground. In others, like Massachusetts, the law expects you to retreat if you can. Now imagine this trucker crossed into Massachusetts earlier that night. Same danger, different law. From the police perspective, they will ask later, could you have driven away? Did you escalate? Did you fire when you didn't have to? And here is the twist, even pulling your gun can legally count as deadly force. Police don't decide based on fear alone. They decide based on evidence. They will look at surveillance cameras, witness your 911 call, your exact words. If you say I fired to scare him, that can destroy your case. If you fired after the threat stopped, that can turn self-defense into a charge. Even if you're right, you may still be arrested first. Why truckers are different? Truckers face something regular people don't. You cross state lines for a living. A gun that's legal in one state can be a felony in another. Company policies, customer rules, local prosecutors, and when something happens on the road, you are alone. No neighbors, no witness, just your word against the evidence. So here is the real question. Should a man defending his life be judged differently just because he crossed a state line? And should truckers have clear self-defense laws when the road is their home? Tell me what you think.